to eat, madam. Please give me food.
Hey, have you seen your face? You are looking like a mad fellow.
Please, madam.
Hey, go in here. Don't come here.
Excuse me, sir. Good morning. Do you have any work to do?
No, I don't have any work.
Sir, please, sir, give me some work to do. There is no food to eat. So, I'm so many days, sir. Please give me some work to do.
I don't have any work.
Sir, please, sir, give me some work to do.
I have some work, but I can't give for you.
Sir, I will do that work, sir. Please give me, sir.
Else, I need someone to go out into my fields and take my pigs. You must take them, but you may not eat any of their food. Take this food and you eat it. Take this food, give to pigs.
No, I can't stay alone. I want to go back to my father. I want to go back to my father. I spoiled my life. Father, son, you are. What, son? Father, I sinned against you. I am not longer than worthy is called yours. Son, you always with me and all the many yours. I am so happy you came back. Let's celebrate this day.